These 5 simple shoulder stretches are going to help provide quick pain relief and are ideally suited for anyone with tightness, stiffness, or discomfort caused by poor posture or overuse. Hey everyone, Dr. Jeff Peng here. I'm a sports medicine doctor practicing in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I've helped thousands of patients reduce their shoulder pain and get them back to their active lifestyles. The stretches I'm about to show you are simple, but they're also highly effective and are designed to target the key muscles and soft tissues that commonly contribute to shoulder pain and limited mobility. By following along, you'll improve your range of motion, reduce muscle tightness, and start feeling relief almost instantly. The first stretch is the anterior shoulder stretch. To do this, stand tall and clasp your hands behind your back. Gently straighten your arms and slowly lift your hands upward while keeping your chest open and shoulders relaxed. You should feel a deep stretch across the front of your shoulders and chest. Hold this position for about 30 seconds, breathing deeply to help release tension. The goal of this stretch is to lengthen and loosen the tight muscles at the front of your shoulders and chest, particularly the pectoralis major and minor, which often become shortened due to poor posture or prolonged sitting. By opening up this area, you help reduce forward shoulder rounding and restore better alignment, and this leads to significant pain relief and improved shoulder function. The next stretch is the external rotation stretch, which you can do in 2 ways. The first method is similar to the eagle pose in yoga. To perform this, cross one arm over the other at the elbows, then bend your elbows and wrap your forearms around each other so that your palms meet. Rotate the shoulder outwards by gently pressing the forearms away from the body so that you feel a stretch in the back of your shoulders. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. The second method is a bit easier but requires some support. Find a wall, a table, or a chair, any flat edge you can use for leverage. Place your arm against the edge with your elbow bent at 90 degrees. Then, slowly rotate your body away from the arm. You'll feel a gentle stretch deep in the back of your shoulder and rotator cuff muscles. Working on external rotation stretches helps improve shoulder stability and mobility by targeting the rotator cuff muscles, and this supports and stabilizes the shoulder joint during movement. Strengthening and loosening these muscles reduces strain and imbalances that often cause pain and increase the risk of injury. The third stretch is the posterior shoulder stretch. This stretch targets the muscles at the back of your shoulder, including the posterior deltoid and the muscles around the shoulder blade, and these can become tight from repetitive movements or poor posture. To perform this stretch, bring one arm across your body at shoulder height. Use your opposite hand to gently pull the arm closer to your chest. You should feel a deep stretch along the back of your shoulder and upper arm. Hold this position for about 30 seconds. This stretch helps release tension in the posterior shoulder muscles. It helps improve flexibility and it reduces discomfort caused by tightness or overuse. Next up is the inferior capsule stretch. This stretch focuses on the lower part of the shoulder joint capsule, which can become tight and restrict your arm's upward movement. To do this stretch, raise one arm overhead and bend the elbow so your hand reaches down your back. Use your opposite hand to gently pull the elbow backward and downward, feeling a stretch deep inside the shoulder joint. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Loosening the inferior capsule helps improve your shoulder's range of motion, making everyday activities like reaching and lifting much easier while also reducing pain caused by joint stiffness. The fifth and final stretch is the internal rotation stretch. To perform this, take a towel or a shirt and hold it behind your back with one hand reaching over your shoulder and the other hand reaching up from your lower back. Use the top hand to gently pull the towel upward, and this is going to help stretch the shoulder of the lower arm. You should feel a stretch in the front and inside of the shoulder. Hold this position for 30 seconds. This stretch helps increase internal rotation mobility, which is essential for activities like reaching behind your back or tucking in a shirt, and it helps relieve tightness that can contribute to shoulder pain and dysfunction. These 5 simple shoulder stretches, when done consistently, can improve shoulder mobility and provide fast pain relief. But to truly protect your shoulder and prevent pain from coming back, it's important to understand the role of the rotator cuff muscles and how they contribute to shoulder dysfunction and pain. In my next video, I'll explain this in detail and share a rehab program that strengthens these muscles to keep your shoulders strong and pain-free for the long term.